Hello, Jutta family. It's Mike and Kamilla, and we are at the shelter's vet clinic for some very happy news. Kamilla, what's happening today?
Today I'm adopting this little guy.
Oh,
He's Helios. He's one of the 7 puppies saved from parvo.
oh.
And one of the one we took care of for the last 3 weeks.
And what is his name again?
Helios, and in Greek we pronounce it Helios.
And what does it mean?
It means the god of sun.
Yeah, it does. Oh, how sweet. All right, let's go in and make it official. IOANNIS, of course, is very excited for Kamilla to have taken care of this beautiful puppy and the 6 other parvo puppies. And now this one has found a home. Kalimera. And here's Ben. Ben has been staying here at the shelter or at the vet. He had a few small wounds on his back legs, which is natural. He's been scooting on them, and Mariana, the vet, was kind enough to watch over him while they heal. And IOANNIS has some ideas to modify Ben's enclosure so that it won't be as abrasive on him until he hopefully is adopted in later this summer. So, how do you feel today, Cam?
I feel very good.
Yes, Cam already has a kitten that she found on the streets of Athens and adopted. And amazingly, the kitten is the same age as Helios. And what is your kitten's name?
His name is Hermes.
Ah.
The god of travel.
Ah, a lot of gods in your family. Yes.
And these 2, Hermes and Helios, are very good friends.
Yes.
They play together all the time and sleep together as well.
I can confirm this. There's some very silly and cute videos of the 2 of them in the room, the volunteer room, playing together that maybe we will try to upload as well. So anyway, Jutta family, we wanted to give you this beautiful update and let you know that superstar volunteer Kamilla has just increased her family. Ciao.